Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So today let us see how to prepare sabudana vada. Summer is coming and you all know the very much health benefits of sabudana. I have already prepared sabudana kheer, so go and try that. So first let us see how to prepare sabudana vada. First of all, take a bowl and add 1 full cup of sabudana over here. You need to wash it properly and drain all the water and put it in the bowl. And then now you need to add 1 full cup of water. That's it. For 1 cup of sabudana, you need to add 1 full cup of water and soak it for 5 hours at least, or else for an overnight. Here I have soaked for an overnight. See, the sabudana has absorbed the water nicely and they are so fluffy and soft. This is the perfect texture. So now you need to add 3 boiled potatoes over here. You need to mash it over here. So I have boiled it and kept it earlier. You need to take medium size 3 potatoes and then boil it and then mash it nicely and add it into the sabudana bowl. Now once you're done with the potatoes, you need to add mirchi. I have added 8 to 10 mirchis. I have grounded nicely and then I have added into it. On the other hand, you need to take 1 full cup of peanuts and you need to dry roast them. See, the coat of the peanuts or the groundnuts should not turn dark brown in color. This is good, or otherwise once the spluttering starts, then you need to switch off the flame and then cool it and then peel off all the cover of the peanuts, and then you need to grind it into a coarser mixture, not in a fine powder. The mixture should be in a coarser manner. Now after adding the peanut powder also, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and then here I have added chopped curry leaves over here. And then I have added salt to taste. For me, 1.5 tablespoon is perfect. You have to check it and then add it. And then 1 tablespoon of cumin powder I have added over here, or jeera powder. Now mix it nicely. First I have added all the ingredients on the top layer, that is potato and then curry leaves, mirchi, and then all the salt and all. And then you need to slowly mix it gently, the sabudana. If you press it hard, the sabudana won't be in circular shape and that becomes a paste. Now see, when you do into a ball shape, or when you prepare a ball shape, it should be tight enough, and that is the perfect consistency. Now then start preparing. It shouldn't be too much dry and it shouldn't be too much wet. Now take a handful, that is a big size amla or a big size lemon size ball, and then start preparing into a nice shape and then dab it gently with the help of adding a little bit of water. Just touch it with your fingers and then grease it on the edges or wherever the cracks are, and then you need to prepare into a small patty shape or vada shape. So here, this is my first vada shape. This is all set. See, there are no cracks and it's all set. You should not add much water and then prepare the vadas, because if you add too much water and then prepare the vadas, once you drop it into the oil for frying, the sabudana and everything gets separated. So you need to be very much careful over here. I have added oil for deep fry into a kadai, and then I have heated nicely, and then again I have simmered for 2 to 3 minutes. After simmering only, you need to add this vadas or patties into this. So once you add this vadas into the oil, see, you can see that they have went to the bottom of the pan, and then after 2 to 3 minutes they'll just start floating. That is the right time you need to flip it off. Do not flip it off as soon as you drop it. So once they float onto the upper surface, then you need to flip on the other side and fry it nicely till they turn just golden color, not golden brown, just golden color. That is good. See, sabudana vadas are ready. Now that's it. Repeat the process for the remaining vadas also, and then serve it hot with mint chutney or green chutney. In fact, I have to say, so with this green chutney, this will do good. And for kids, you can also serve it with hot sauce, with the tomato sauce or mayonnaise also. So this sabudana vada is best served hot because it's crisp outside and soft inside. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.